Hey friends, I slept good last night, so the energy level is through the mother truckin' roof. The Ice Cream Beauty Box, they just sent over their box and bag for the month of November. I had to think of what month we're in. The struggle's real. It's a Monday. Happy Monday. Hope you guys had a fabulous weekend gearing up for Thanksgiving. We actually had an early Thanksgiving and I'm still recuperating. It was a good fun time. And a little note, if you guys are on TikTok, 1, you should follow your girl. 2, if you guys have seen Teeny's mac and cheese recipe, highly suggest making it. I made that on Friday. It is so freaking good. Even the leftovers, so flipping good. Hi, hello, and welcome to the channel. My name is Rhonda. Over here, we embrace the hot mess. We keep it cute or put it on mute, and let's go ahead and unbox or unbag our Ice Cream Beauty Bag for November. Okay, listen, it's later in the day, and typically I'd film this in my family room, but the weather, it's not even cute. It's like dark and gloomy, so I had to use lights like this. So if you've never heard of Ice Cream Beauty Box or Beauty Bag, they are a monthly subscription, and in the bag you are going to get anywhere from 3 to 5 items, and it's going to run you about $12 to $13. I think code HOTMESS also works on the bag as well as the box. This is a very makeup heavy subscription. I love it, and a lot of you guys say you love it as well. So let's see which one was better for the month of November, the bag or the box. Feeling around we got the Ice Cream Beauty Bag holiday prep for November, and oh my gosh, I already see there is a flippin' palette in here. The Juicy Skewer palette by DD Design. Now, I had never heard of DD Design before until one of the palettes came in the subscription. I love this formula. How fun is this? It's a very, very vibrant palette, and I really want to swatch this yellow shade called Banana. It doesn't smell like a banana. Okay, it's very bright. It's really pretty. I wish I didn't get so, like, I love to swatch those kind of colors, but they scare me. Like, I don't even know how to incorporate them at all. Like, I'll watch Heather Austin makeup. If you watch her, she does a lot of fun, vibrant colors, and I'm like, I never would have thought to put it together. So me, I am more of like pomegranate and strawberry. I would probably incorporate those two shades, because your girl is a chicken butt. But the shades are very pretty, very vibrant. Ooh, that's a shifty shade, which I absolutely love. I am using my other camera, y'all, so I don't know how well that is picking up, but just know she's pretty. Actually, those two shades together would be so gorgeous. Maybe I should just play around. Just play around, have a good fun time. This has a retail value of $18, so that's the first item in the bag. Next in here, we've got the Trifle Cosmetics Liquid Glow Liquid Illuminator, or maybe it's called Trifle, sorry. $25 retail value. How cute is this little packaging? Little confetti-ish. So my first thought was like, oh, I bet it's gonna be like a bright, bold, like white color. But it's not. It's more, that was way too much. It's got a pinky tone to it. I feel like, oh, clean finger. Work quick, kind of dries down fast. Okay, I made a mess. It dried down too fast. I'm gonna go. Okay, well, just ignore that. Okay, but just know it's pretty and work quick, and I feel like this would be pretty on your lids too. I don't know, it started drying down, but it is very pretty. This is something that I'm almost curious, if you mix it with a moisturizer or something, you would get like a really pretty sheen or glow to the skin. It's got like that pink undertone, kind of like the Drunk Elephant has those rosy glow drops. I feel like this would honestly be prettier because it wouldn't be as Tin Man-y, you know what I mean? This has more of like this gorgeous like shift and glow to it without totally looking like a Tin Man. So this, I want to try in some moisturizer. or maybe some sunscreen could be kind of pretty. And then last in here, we've got Jelly Juice, and this is also from Truffle Cosmetics. Has a retail value of $12, and oh my gosh, these little like components are so adorable. They're so fun. They're very Lisa Frank. So this is a tinted lip glow. It looks very bold, but it's so tinted. That's like a childhood scent. I love it. I like it. It's like a hint of a tint, and it's comfortable. Very much lip oily, not balmy in my opinion. And it just says lip glow. So yeah, that makes sense for it to be very like lip oil. So anyways, that is going to be the bag for the month of November. And let me just double check the price because my brain for some reason can't compute if it's 12 or 13. The bag is $12.50. $12.50, and then the box is typically in a box is $25 minus the code HOTMESS. That will save you 10% off your first order. Now, fun little fact with the box, you are always guaranteed a palette in here. So we do have a little card in here, and it does tell you a little bit about everything in here plus the retail value, which is nice. The first thing I see in here is the Cheeky Rose Beauty brush. Do you remember when these people were going crazy for like, what were they called, Artemis or something, or T, I don't remember, to be honest. These brushes, I was one of those people. It was like a paddle, and my husband, I remember it was like maybe our second Christmas together, had gotten me the brush, and they were dumb expensive. I'll have to see where I put it because now I don't even use it. But it's a good brush, and honestly, like if you do any sunless tanner, this is always really good on your knuckles too. Especially this one. It's not too dense. It's like literally just right. So little information on this. It does have a retail value of $38. It does say it is a foundation brush. Brush that effortlessly is going to blend your foundation. So very nice. I feel like the Disney girl. Bing. Next in here we have Beau Babe Beauty Liquid Eyeshadow in Chocolate Bronze. And this does have a retail value of $30. Now, when it comes to Eyescream Beauty Box, sometimes, well, most of the time I feel like we see a lot of indie brands. Like, for example, the DD Signature. I had never heard of that brand before until the Eyescream Beauty Box, and I really like the formula. So this is what the component looks like. Very like, and then is this a liner? Oh, it is a very bronzy liner. Let's put it over here. Okay, I actually like this. I wouldn't, obviously I don't do like winged liners, but I feel like this would be pretty to just kind of put on the lid, especially with the Signature palette. And you could easily, oh yeah, you can maneuver it, and then you could accent it if you happen to get this palette with one of these colors that would be really pretty. Happens to match, so I like that. All right, next in here we've got the Lash Step Natch Mascara. This is a $21 retail value, and it says get lashes that look lifted longer. Okay, this is another fun kind of component. It's kind of got like this funky, I don't even know, like leathery feel, but obviously not leather. Ooh, I like this wand. I like this wand a lot. Kind of reminds me of the Hourglass mascara. Don't know. It actually smells good. I don't know why, but yeah, I actually really want to try that one because that just reminded me how much I do miss the Hourglass wand mascara. And then last in here, like I told you guys, we always get an eyeshadow palette. So this is by, ooh, DD Signature once again. This is the Jingle Bell Ruby palette. It's an eyeshadow palette that does have a retail value of $35. And it's got greens. Ooh, look how pretty. That is such a pretty palette. Okay, let's get to swatching. I really want to do Sleigh Ride, which is like, oh, so fun. Here's what I really, really like is, one, the way this is set up. It's very ADHD friendly. Like, you guys know when it comes to me, I'm very overwhelmed if it's not a neutral palette. Typically colorful palettes, I panic. but the way this is laid out is so user-friendly. Like, right away my eyes gravitate to, okay, we've got like a little duo here, a duo here, here, all the way down. Or you can always like 6 here, 6 here. Like, kudos to you, because for me, if I were ever to do a colorful palette, this is exactly how I would lay it out for people who have brains like mine that get very overwhelmed over colorful palette. That is like a Pat McGrath shift. That is mother truckin' stunning. Oh my, get on my eyeball. Oh yes ma'am. Oh, I love that. I love that so much. Let me just tell you what I have been doing. If you follow me on my other channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, I've been doing a ton of try-on hauls over there. And a lot of my looks, I just use my Unconditional palette, specifically Fan Bam, and then the bronzer slash contour Bittersweet. I'll use that. And then I go in a lot of the times just with like a shimmer. If I'm not using Sweet and Sassy, I'll go in with my Clio Cosmetics and top it with a shimmer. This will be one of the new shades that I will be topping. That is Sleigh Ride. I'm really curious about Crispy Holiday. Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. It's like a cool tone shift, which I don't think you can probably see it. Let me put it on my eyeball for you guys. It's kind of similar, but the undertones are a little different. Like, this one's more golden, that's more like not. I know, the professionalism. Okay, now we have to go into Olive Penguins because your girl loves penguins. I love these so much. Here's Crispy Trees, which is more of a bluish. Swatch here and here. Okay, these shimmer shifts are literally like boggling my brain. I'm like, don't do it, don't do it. Got my rag. I was about to put it on my britches. Okay, let's do Frostbite, which is a really pretty, like, icy. Oh my gosh, I love it. And here's Sugar Plum. Ooh, you probably can't even tell. It's like neon-y purpley. My camera is not doing it justice, but just know this palette, I'm sure that the mattes are great, but the standout Holy Amaze Beans is 100% every single one of these top shadows. The mattes, honestly, I know when it comes to the DD Signature formula, their mattes are just amazing. But these are freaking top notch. Like, low-key, $35 for this palette, I feel like is a steal. And you're getting it in a $25 box. When it comes to the bag versus the box, I'm going to give it 100% hands down to the box. This palette alone is Amaze Beans. Shookity shocked, and I don't even know if I pulled everything. Did I show you guys everything? No, I didn't even show you everything yet. Okay, so we've got the mascara, we've got the eyeshadow, we had the brush, we had the palette. Oh, we also have the Lovebird Tinted Lip Balm, which I love lip balms, especially 'tis the season. So just to show you guys, it's in the shade Smooch, which is so cute because my 18-year-old always says smooch or smoochies or smooch. Ooh, it's got a nice little scent to it. It's tinted and it's not crazy pigmented. It's got a hint of a tint. It's not too over the top. It kind of reminds me almost like formula wise of the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum scented lip balm. That's what the formula feels like, and I really like that. Scent wise, it's like a soft, maybe a hint of cupcake, I don't know, but all I know is the box stole the show. This is so good. Wait, I already got the Crispy Holidays, but this, look at that. That is so good. That's so good, and it's not chunky. Let's do Sugar Plum. We'll put it in the center here. Ooh, I love this. Okay, so these are amazing. Okay, so here's my thoughts. Well, you already know the box wins, hands down. If you have already gotten your box, what do y'all think? Let me know in the comment section. Have you tried the mascara? Because like I said, I'm really excited about the wand. It so reminds me of the Hourglass mascara wand, and I think it's the Too Faced Better Than Sex one is like this too, which I really like. And it almost looks like it has fibers on here, which I love that, just for like a thicker, fuller look to my lashes. And I think that this will also incorporate perfectly with this palette. So I think this was a perfectly curated palette or box. I think they did wonderful. Totally worth the $25. Worth more than that. I think if you get this, it's gonna be, you're gonna love it. You are gonna love it. And when it comes to the mattes in here, you can definitely, even if you're like me and colorful looks scare you, look, these two shades right here, I know hands down I will use the heck out of to just accent these other colors. You know what I mean? You can deepen the outer V with them, even these first three. And then of course you can do little accenty things with the greens. The Santa's tree, this is just good. Okay, I'm hopping off. I'm gonna edit this and get it up to you guys tonight. I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend and a fabulous, relaxing week to come. Happy Thanksgiving, stay safe, and I'm gonna have some Black Friday deals popping up. Be ready, because your girl's already shopping. I am already doing my Black Friday shopping because the early deals, like don't forget, OFRA Cosmetics is having huge sales on their website currently between, well, actually site-wide, but I'm going to suggest their mystery boxes. Excellent gifts. You can use my coupon code HOTMESS, I believe. If not, you can use my link. That's an affiliate link, so thank you if you use it. Don't forget, when you're doing your Black Friday shopping, y'all need to be using that Rakuten. I'm hopping up. I'm going to clean up my mess, but way to go, Ice Cream Beauty Box. DD's signature, you knocked it out of the ballpark. Good job. Yes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check me out on my other channels. And of course, over on TikTok and Instagram at hotmessmommabusiness. And who has tried the new Alani Winter Wonderland drinks? I'm obsessed. I said it. Hands down, I have to order more. And actually, Alani is having buy one, get one half off. Okay, I'm hopping off. I love you guys so much. Thanks for being here. And until next time, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers.